Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go next line in Excel. So let's write something first. Let's type something. Okay, I'm just writing here the same I'm talking about. As you can see, okay, just because I have written there a while ago. So let's try here. So here you can see if I write something, then these things go from one column to another. It doesn't go to another line, right? So what I will do is just simply click on Alt and Enter to go to next line. Let's try it. As you can see, it's just it has gone to the next line. You can adjust it by expanding the the area of the column, and yeah, you can adjust the column as you want to. So this is how you can go to the next line without margin, and can be in only one column if you want to. So this is how it works. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon and press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.